Hey, Tanrex. No, I'm not grumpy at all. I actually slept super well last night. I'm in a pretty good mood. Hey, Darius. Hey, Penguin. Hey, Kenny. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Oh, no, I'm good, man. I'm really good. Man, a lot of people seem to really like the freelancing video. Hello, Wormsoft. Soft? Soft? Professor Carr. I'm grumpy because I ran out of coffee cream. Oh, no. Let me see. Okay. Okay, said it right. If so, goated stream confirmed with profanity. God, I don't like being one of these like outrage streamers. I don't like getting upset about things on stream, you know? Good morning, Maxwell MC on YouTube. Stream, hey Wunk, good morning. I did forget to open the windows though. Have I ever tried to build custom hardware using PCBWay? I have not, but if I ever did, that would be my option. I'm pretty sure MNT uses PCBWay, so. PCBWay sponsorship? They do sponsor some creators. That'd be kind of funny. I actually have a meeting with a sponsor on Thursday. So probably gonna have a sponsored segment soon-ish. Soonish, maybe. Not as smooth as one would thought. Oh, really? Can you guys give me a minute so I can open some windows in my apartment? Be right back. Oh, yeah. Goodness, so uh Sunday night. Sorry, I keep forgetting. So yesterday, if you guys don't know, for a lot of Canada, yesterday was a holiday. That's why I didn't stream. Hey Jordan on YouTube. Um, yeah, gosh, I like barely slept Sunday night, and I was super cranky yesterday. But then I went to bed early last night, and I basically slept the whole night, which is great. I would love to get a full night's sleep every night. Maybe I gotta start taking melatonin or something. Well, yesterday we went to the beach. Man, I forgot how much fun the beach is. Especially here in Toronto. Melatonin doesn't help me at all, Sag. Aw, I'm sorry to hear that. Bitches? Lots of people at the beach, Tannerex. Pebble beaches? No, they're sand beaches. There's a little bit of pebbles in like the where the water meets the shore, but no, I went to yeah, we went to Hanlon's Point Beach, which is like it's like the only like clothing optional beach in the city. Don't worry, my clothes were on. I was clothed personally, but uh yeah, it's cool. No castle. There's no room for castles. It's just people, a lot of naked queer people laying around and drinking alcohol. It's like a big party. It's pretty fun. Mhm. Definitely a party. Yo, Voyager, thanks for the 4 months. Frat party on sand. I wouldn't call it a frat party since it's mostly like, especially yesterday, there was a lot of trans people on the beach. So, yeah. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, man. You can always tell, like, who is, like, very green and not very comfortable with such things. Like, yeah, there's like these. Sometimes there's these guys that just literally all they do is walk up and down the beach and then looking at everybody like shocked in horror. Actually, last year we went, some guy was having like a mental health crisis. He was like just naked in the bushes, like preaching like some gospel, like just like literally freaking out. And then this like other naked guy wearing like a big cross around his neck went up to talk to him. Be like, "Hey, how's it going, brother?" You know? Which is really funny in a very queer space. It's like one of the oldest like cruising spots in the city, if you know what that means. I'm not gonna explain what it means on stream though. I bet you're right, Darius. You might be right. Only thing I did on the weekend was relax. I played a stupid amount of Final Fantasy 14. I played an embarrassing amount of Final Fantasy 14 this weekend. Kai worked on her game. I gamed because I was feeling a little burned out from coding since I like coded a lot last week. Or not last week, the week before. A lot of client stuff. Final Fantasy 14 is great though. Oh, you play Fallen? In the Discord, we have a gaming channel now. And we are kind of, yeah, we've been like trying to, yeah, I'm at like level 27 now. I'm flying through the Realm Reborn content. I am just flying through it. They must have changed it. They must have accelerated the leveling from like 1 to 50. They had to have accelerated it, right? Cuz the max level is 100 now. I'm only 17. Just play for a few hours, Fern. Like you'll probably hit level like 25 if you just play for a few hours. Like it would literally okay, so I used to play like 10 years ago, and back then it would take me a lot of evenings and weekends to get to like level 27, and I did it in like a couple days basically. Like I used to play this game religiously with my brother. Like we used to play all the time. No, dude, all you got to do is do the main quest scenario. You get big experience from doing the main quest scenario. Just do that. Leaked, you have a brother? Yeah, I have a brother. I'm pretty sure I've talked about him before. That's nice. You should play GTA San Andreas. I mean, sure. I don't have a PlayStation, but seeing today, yeah, we're gonna write some C here in a bit. Also need money. Also, where money in game? You need money? God, I always feel like Gil is so useless in Final Fantasy 14. Look, I have a guild. My main has a guild. I have a 57 warrior. It has a guild that's basically solo. I'll invite like literally everybody on the Discord server that wants to be in. We play on Brynhilder. Uh and then yeah, there's like a free company bank. Sorry, it's called a free company, not a guild. Played an embarrassing amount of Foundation this weekend. See, yippee. Hair is shiny. How do you like it? It's great. Great hair. Yeah. I washed it yesterday and put a lot of leave-in conditioner. Am I still heavily anti-AI? Math and AI pulls off. Here's the thing, decadent. Here's the thing you need to know. A lot of what you're seeing is just marketing bullshit, right? If 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 they're not publishing their like math, proofs, right? If they're not publishing their proofs in like academic journals, it's just marketing. 100% it's just marketing. Right? If they're not publishing their proofs, they're like conjecture proofs and all that stuff in like, academic peer-reviewed academic journals, it's just marketing. That's it. All the demos are just marketing. Like people just be like, I one-shotted this, like, and it's, it looks like freaking something insane, right? But it's usually like it falls apart if you try to do it or whatever. I'm not heavily anti-AI. Like I'm just critical of AI, and I still like writing code by hand, so like I guarantee you guys aren't gonna want to watch me sit here and have a conversation with a parrot, a stochastic parrot. It's just not compelling content. If you go and look at all the vibe coders in the software and game dev category, I think there's like one person that has like 40 views. It's not like it's not compelling content. It's not compelling content to like sit and work beside somebody, right? Ow. Okay, I mean Dylan's a little different, but yeah. Watching you talk to a parent get really upset and yelling and throwing things could be content. Well, I already do yell and swear and get mad at it, so good luck on the clip farming and time wasting. Thank you. Are we doing closure tonight? No, we're writing some C. I've been working on an isometric game in C. 2D isometric. Um Yeah, this is a Shure MV7. And just in OBS I have like a noise gate and noise filter. If you don't know how to do that, just go Google it. Noise gate, noise filter on OBS. Hi Nora. Yeah, I keep forgetting it's Tuesday. Good old Tuesday. Nothing beats that. Oh, I'm getting more highlights this afternoon. I'm gonna be more blonde when you see me tomorrow. More blonde. How exciting. I'm excited anyways. I don't know if you guys are. Hello, Fonte Extra. Oh, and more blonde. Yes, more blonde highlights. I'm going to be even blonder. It's going to be incredible. Yesterday I had, I guess, 2 days to go technically. I finally had it found. I finally had some of that ice cream that I can eat, and it is so good. Oh my god, it's so good. I have never had. I haven't had like real ice cream in probably like 15 years. And this is definitely like the closest in like consistency and texture. Like I've eaten a lot of shit vegan ice cream over the years. This is like primo. Or as Kai described it, it's uncompromising in its taste and texture. Cutest thing, my partner bought me a random thing off Amazon on Sunday and I got it yesterday. All because I went to visit back early July and said I liked hers. What is it? Small diffuser and smelled so good. Oh, nice. Personally, I hate diffusers. I'm like super sensitive to perfumes and junk. Primo shit vegan ice cream. Dude, you have no idea. It's like $15 for a little pint of this stuff. What GPU do I have? It's called an M2 Max. I just have a MacBook. I don't have fancy hardware. How am I, Fonte? I am pretty good. Actually, I slept well. I feel good looking. I'm getting highlights today. This is all in a MacBook. Yeah, Doru. 15? Yeah, 15 Canadian dollars. Sentence is like super mellow. I don't know how to describe it. Oh, I see. Woody. Are you just burning wood? Is that it? Or did they capture like the essence of smoke flavor? My brain be burning, I don't know. One of those Ninja Creamy, you can make all kinds of ice cream you want. I know, but like it's gonna take time and practice and stuff. Plus I need like the right combination of cashews and coconut and all this stuff, right? Yeah. Well, Jordan, I actually do need a haircut. I haven't had a haircut in a while. Like my hair's like down past my boobs right now. But yeah, I it's so hard to book an appointment with my hairstylist. Oh, that sounds good, Tanner X sorbet. A Python question about virtual environments. If I run a Python script inside a VM, are default permissions enough to keep the script inside the environment? Wait, what's happening, Fonte? What's going on in the YouTube chat? I'm excited to get more blonde highlights because my hair's been growing out and you can kind of see I've got like it almost looks like roots up here. Like it's just like a strip of brown on my head. Oh, let's go see what's happening on this website that was this morning. Hmm. Okay. So what, you guys want me to vibe code? Is that it? Which programming language? Today we're doing C, probably. Likely. Oh. Do I like autumn and Halloween? I do. Mostly because my birthday is in September. Uh, Halloween can be fun. Yeah, it's just like kind of sad because autumn is when like, you know, it's the precursor to winter. And that sucks. Hmm. Will there be a day to see we see you on AO3? What's AO3? Sounds like an abbreviation for a game. Archive for transformative fanworks. Oh, is this like the fan fiction website? Have I tried Linux? Oh yeah. I've been a Linux user for like 20 years. I just want like fuck, I can't wait to get a Linux computer someday. Someday soon. I'll have a Linux computer. Archives of our own 3. I see. Oh, the O's, like there's 3 O's. Yeah. A telegraph key would be vibe coding. I don't know, you guys. Currently run Mint. Yeah, I'm a very you guys some of you may know that I'm a pretty big Ubuntu user. Finally accept vibe coding. No. What makes you think that? Macs are fine. I have my issues with it. This happens every time I buy a Mac. I bought a Mac when I was like 18, used it for a few years, and then went back to Linux. Classic. Yeah, I often wonder if things are just gonna keep getting weirder and weirder until like the internet is useless. What software did I use to make the slides on freelancing? Apple Keynote. My first laptop in university. Collect money from nightclub bouncer. Arch user repository stuff sucks, but thankfully I don't use many AUR packages. Hey, Bridgewater. Oh, yeah. God, man, it really sucks. I was talking with Kai about this not too long ago. Like, programmer culture is dead. There's not really any more conferences or anything. And if there are, people just like act like like snide. Is that the real word? Snide for them? Yeah. There are AI conferences. Oh man. I don't God. You can send the agent to your conference for you. Oh my god. I feel like like I feel like I don't know. I just feel like an outsider. I don't know. It's so weird. Like I still write emails. Maybe this is a big dream. I don't know. I wish it was. I hate not knowing if something is real or not as well. Like I said this online recently. Like at some point the internet is just going to become bots entertaining bots. I mean, I've told you guys plenty of times, but I'm not even sure I want to be a software developer anymore. I'm not an outsider, I'm just a professional. It's just your mood. Yeah, like it's kind of like super weird for the industry to go this way. Start a community, a culture that you enjoyed. Be a gymnast. I might be a content creator of some kind. I don't know. Oh, I bought a carton of eggs instead of buying a breakfast sandwich this morning. And I now realize that I probably should have bought a breakfast sandwich. Yeah, most people only use like a core set of things, right? Hey T2. I mean, we'll see if people gravitate towards decentralized stuff. Game dev will always have that creativity. Yeah, I saw T2 shader theory. But put myself down a lot. I don't put myself down a lot. If I was like putting myself down, I'd be like, oh, like I'm ugly or some shit. I guess I do say that sometimes, don't I? But when it comes to programming, I definitely know my shit all the time. All right, fine. I'm hot as shit. I'm hot shit. How about that? Ugh. Notch, I'm talking about Notch. Notch was always a depressed asshole. I mean, yeah, he's an asshole for sure. Most people with 9 figures of net worth have shit for brains, so as far as I can tell from the internet. Ask the magic 8 ball if my business idea will bring me millions, and it answered, no doubt about that. Oh, that's how you know you gotta go all in, bro. I'm just kidding, don't do that. Give it all away and walk the land, walk the earth. You know what they call someone like that, Jules? A bum. Tweet on Codeberg was in one of the Primogen's videos. Wait, really? Which video? No way, bro. No way, bro. You have a link, Jub? Somehow I manage to wriggle my way into those videos sometimes. The latest video? Is it titled People Are Mad They're Told to Learn? Is that it? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Alright, I don't know if I have time. Is there a timestamp? I'm just like, I'm gonna be turbo lazy about it. Somebody give me a link. And we can be like, oh my god. Alright, cool, cool, cool. Okay, no slop allowed. Interesting. This is from 6 days ago. Ah. Mm-hmm. 47 seconds. This is really great for my ego, you guys. Oh! I forgot that it wrote that. And then I wrote my condolences, Theo. Oh my god. No way, bro. Yeah, this is pretty great for my ego, I'm not gonna lie. I gotta use the bathroom, guys, so if you'll permit me a moment to go to the washroom, and then honestly, I should probably have some breakfast, so. Yeah, I can't. I'm like, this is so great. Okay, for real though, I gotta go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. All right. Well, that was pretty great for my ego. Huh. Codeberg account and start posting vibe coded apps. Well, I don't want to get banned from Codeberg. If I'm like a repeat, like, hang on, sirens. Yeah, I don't want to be a repeat like offender or whatever. Repeat like policy. Terms of use offender. Well, no, I don't want to like break the terms of use because they might like ban me forever. Forever. But yeah, I gotta eat some breakfast. You guys know the drill. Did I break them before? Yeah. I use ChatGPT as a replacement for Google. Oh no, somebody help with the gift sub situation. All right, you guys know the drill. First I need to cook and then we will code or cook in another way. So give me a minute to make egg and take medication and then yada yada yada. We'll go do the other stuff. I feel like I didn't really get a good enough clip today though, did I? Ah, maybe I can manufacture one. Yeah, so I had this. You smiled. I had this. I quote tweeted somebody, and there was like somebody who said they spoke to a bunch of senior engineers and nobody writes code anymore. And man, I do not want to be a software developer if we do not write code anymore. Like I'm here for the code. I'm not here for the rest of the software dev lifecycle, right? Like the reason I became a software developer is because I liked programming and stuff. So, all right, maybe that's fine. I don't know. I don't want to be an engineer anymore. Of course, that. Oh, come on, Twitch. Fuck's sakes. Stupid ass fucking website. Right code are not writing. Most are using AI as much as they used Google. Great, amazing. Bye. Yeah, I guess I'm just not ready to give up on it. So I'm just gonna quit being a professional developer because I will tell you right now, there's nothing more boring than fucking going back and forth with a robot all day. Cyberpunk Blackwall to keep Claude from killing everyone. We'll see. I'm sure they'll actually just like crucify all the manual programmers before that actually happens. Okay, really, I need to eat some breakfast. I'll be right back. All right, breakfast of the champions. Um, Microwaved egg and some carrot juice. Oh my god, that is thick. That's thicker than the boathouse crap. Oh my god, that's so thick. Woo! It's actually a lot better than the Bolthouse, whatever it's called, that brand. It's a little bit better. Like it tastes like real bevy. Uh, right. Okay, so I took my pills. Now I need to do my inhaler. Oh, I love mate actually, but I feel like recently yerba mate has kind of gone like mainstream. Okay, I'm gonna take this, and then we're gonna jump in the software and game dev category. All right. All right. Okay. Amazing. Oh. Oh, I don't even remember what I was working on with this project. It's been a while. Totally forget. Probably something boring, I'm guessing. Boo. Okay. My session ran out? What do you mean? Just start over. Oh yeah, sessions. Can't wait for open weights to destroy the current models. Cause okay, that's fine. What the heck is going on? Where's my video? Bruh. Bruh. Stupid ass OBS. Alright. Sick, bruh. Hmm. Did I not? I feel like I had. I thought I had like a zoomed in thing for Emacs on this. Screen capture? Oh, I do, don't I? Okay, hang on. Yeah. I confused myself. Never mind. Classic. Classic confusing myself. Okay. Boom. There we go. Nice and big. Nice and big. I gotta drink this really quickly. I can tell it's already starting to like settle and separate. Ugh. This actually tastes like carrot puree with water. Rather than like so many juiced carrots, you know? I was drinking carrot juice with Kai on the weekend, and she's like, this is really nice. It's very sweet and creamy. Well, that was a different brand. This one tastes like real carrot puree with water. Oh. Bruh. What's up, Jordan? Bruh. Oh. Oh, fuck. Right. It's all down there now. How does that look? That looks good. That's fine. Testing an open weight as we speak. I really should have left like a list or something. A list of things I was working on. I don't even remember. Well, you guys can't see that. Doesn't matter. I want to get rid of the full screen. Make. Oh, that's weird. Where'd it go? The fuck? There we go. So far, the build is just this. Oh, right. I wanted to make an animation system. But I also kind of want to change the movement, because right now it's just a spring damper. and does weird stuff like this, where it like arcs on its like way to some places. Dad. It's weird. We can go like from here to here. Yeah, I thought about adding an animation system, but oh fuck, I don't remember if I put all the assets in this like folder. Uh, layer, new sources, player. Come on. Oh, I did put them all in here. Okay. What's next? I don't even know. Actually, looking at this code, I'm like, I don't even know if I want to write code right now. My brain is like resisting doing it for some reason, which is kind of odd. The disco cheese is back. My brain is ripe for vibe coding. Yeah, great. Yeah. I don't remember. Vibe coding's so great for squeezing more juice from burned out software developers. Oops. AKA giving up. Nice. I forget which one I used. The got it. Okay, so I was in the middle of like changing the entity component system from like polymorphic entities to like data driven entities. So now every entity is like a number in a hash map. Sprite, 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 sprite. Components. Glad you're well rested. Yeah, it's just kind of weird. So I felt up for it for doing this, but I'm not sure now. So I guess like the real thing to do here is well, that's not right. This should not have hard-coded values. Cut your shorts on Instagram, just found you on YouTube. Didn't know you did live streams, really? Malloc per component? Yeah. Where else are they gonna live? I'm gonna do one malloc and trying to have all your components in a contiguous, like, region of memory. It's gonna be a nightmare to work with. Because then you need pointers and offsets and junk, right? This way, I just need to have a hash map. Hash map, toss that sprite in there. Hey, Crash King. Beige guy now? You're a beige guy? Malloc the Destroyer. See some C++. Oh, this isn't C++. This is just C. Everyone is just a vibe coder or a low-level programmer nowadays. I don't think that's necessarily true. I think some people still write code for the love of the game. Typically. Maybe. I don't know. I don't even know anymore. What the fuck is this shit? Get the hell out of here, Onyx. Great experience. I guess this is what I get for creating like content on freelancing. People show up and they try to promote their shit. Between 6 and 7, 6 7 6 7. Ah, ha, ha. Yeah, I guess I was gonna try and create an animation system, however that works. You should do a part 2 on what, the freelancing video? I could, yeah. I could do like a part 2 for sure. Actually, there's a lot I didn't cover in the first part, like sales techniques and stuff. Can I see the game in action? I mean, yeah, there's not really much to see. It's kind of just like the bare bones of a game at the moment. So, yeah, we have isometric perspective. And then the sliding like like prototype character, I guess. Isochrolic dungeon meter. Yeah. Orange dot reminds me of some PS1 logo. I can see that. Hmm. Yeah, old PS PlayStation logo. Oh man, everything was so cool in the 90s. Game consoles, computers, like now everything's shit. Hubert friends are gonna go crazy when they see this. Yeah, music was great. God, everything was great in the 90s. Although the music I listened to in the 90s was like bubblegum pop. So I listened to a lot of like dumb bubblegum pop when I was like a kid. I'm a new sub. I like the content. Keep it up. All right, cool. Thanks, Oliver. Yeah, more risk averse industries will be willing to use vibe coded software apps. I think people are stupid enough to try. I feel like I've become a nihilist. I'm like I guarantee you someone's out there like vibe coding the software for like a 911 system or vibe coding the software to like program like a pacemaker or something like how's the game going? Hey Underwear Thief. It is going. This is my first I haven't looked at this code in like 2 weeks. Last week I was just like cooked basically. And now I still feel cooked, but you know. Hey Jazz Rabbit. Yeah. Guys, I vibe coded a pacemaker. Less frightening it is for it to be vibe coded. Those are terrifying thoughts. Yeah, it's gonna happen. People are dumb enough to do something like that, I'm sure. Using Raylib? Oh yeah, this is Raylib. Gonna be vibe coding, you know, manned space flights and stuff. Vibe code those, all those systems. Watch them blow up and stuff. I bet we give AI rights one day because people are gonna believe it's conscious. Oh, 100%. People are just like super dumb. They have no idea. And all the like all the marketing plays into this like anthropomorphization of LLMs, but it's just a stochastic parrot, right? Hey, Velvet Goat Cheese. Bluetooth so I can blast triple red while having a stroke. I show my hash table implementation? No, because I didn't write it myself. It's just STB. It's like a header file. You can Google it. STB, data structures, or whatever. Appreciate your perspective on humanity. Yeah. Your tech friend works in a data center. AWS has had a data center in Toronto for a long time though. They have one region in Canada, AWS Canada region. Oh, they have Canada. Oh, they have two now. CA Central 1 is in Quebec. I always thought it was in maybe it's CA Central 2. Central. Ooh. Nope. Okay, never mind. I lied. I guess they're. That's not even Central Canada, but whatever. Good job, AWS. And now they have one in Calgary. CA West one. Oh, they have local zones in Toronto. Okay, that makes sense. I don't know what a local zone is, actually. What the fuck is a local zone? Okay. Toronto local zone. I mean, deploy something to the Toronto zone. Hello, I just want to say I really like your content. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that because it's kind of a pain in the ass to make sometimes. Pricing? How expensive is local zones? What does it even do? Oh, don't show me a map if I can't click on it. Gotta have clickable maps. Oh my god, this is so stupid. Why would they have, like... Wait, so they lied? I don't see Toronto here. What the fuck is this? Great, they lied. So that's cool. Amazing. I believed the AI summary and now I feel stupid, so. The six. The sixth slice of the six. Mayor of Palm Beach. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, you're probably right. Probably have gone off track a little bit. It's all good though. We're chilling. It's Monday. Well, no, it's Tuesday morning, isn't it? It feels like Monday to me because yesterday was a long weekend. Palm Beach Pete. No, it's C, not C++. Just C. Where did I learn Lisp? I learned it a long time ago. Because of a job, basically. Yo, Dr. PC Ken, thanks for the 3 months. SBCL? Nah. Closure. Nah, 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 nah. Did I get the laptop or it got expensive? I haven't received the laptop yet, but I actually already paid for it, so it'll show up someday. Just C is crazy. Yeah, it's a little crazy. It's kind of fun. All kinds of memory management for real. C and raw carrot juice. Did the MNT reform get mentioned? Yeah, a little bit. It did. Like Game About? It's just a dungeon crawler. Did they add tail call recursion to Closure? I don't think they did. Buy and ship NYC water. Tail call optimization. That's what I'm thinking of. Yeah, it's just Raylib. It's nothing fancy. I need to get some water, guys. Hang on. Oh, scratch that. I gotta go to the bathroom too. Fuck. Bye, Jordan. Oh, God. Is is the NYC water actually from Lake Ontario? I didn't think it was. I thought it was from a different lake. Yeah, like I thought it was from like the Hudson River or something. Let me see. Water source. Water supply system. It's a bunch of aqueducts. Aqueducts. But yeah, Toronto water comes from Yo, Dylan, what's up? Thanks for the raid, dude. Um Hang on, there's sirens going by. I have the window open. Yeah, not Lake Ontario. Toronto gets the water. It's water from Lake Ontario. For sure. Welcome Raiders. My name is Janet. I'm writing C, although sometimes I don't. And I'm tired, so here we go. Introduction made. Hey Anton on YouTube. My nose has been really frustrating the past few days. Just like completely swelled closed. Yeah, that's why I got water here. Oh, I woke up like bone dry this morning. I think dinner was too salty or something. Get NYC to start wharf maxing. Oh. No, get ill from drinking it. I hadn't caught a stream in forever and just realized it wasn't an enclosure in front of me. Oh, hey, tech support. What's up? Good to see you. It's been a while. Yeah, I seem to have, like, bled regular viewers. I don't know where they all went. They're all gone. I think some people are just here for the boobs. But not you, tech support. I'm talking about the casual viewers. Hello, Adams. Oh, man. Why don't they go get a boob job? Yeah, if they want boobs so bad, why don't they go get a boob job? That's what I did. I did it. Anybody can do it. Boob stream, let's go. I've been derogatively labeled a rack streamer or a yeah. Which is fine, I guess. I don't really have any problem with it. Did you ever get along to writing Janet on your stream? Oh yeah, we wrote Janet a few times on stream. Derogatorily. Hey Niall. Yeah, everybody watches this Dylan guy now. That's something, I guess. I have to like mouth breathe because my I don't even know why my nose is being frustrating. It's not like the air quality is bad. I also have the windows open. This is some bullshit. When there's not distraction. Like, oh, you mean the boobs distracting, yeah. Full rack software engineering, yeah. There we go. How's the RPG going? It is not. Basically. How do I implement a animation system? Probably from with the sprite components, perhaps. All this rack talk makes me want to text Glucose Guardian. Have I tried the SFML library? No, Anton, I have not. I don't even know what that is, honestly. Yeah, they're all weird about the boobs, you guys. I mean, it's just how it is, I guess. I don't know. I have no problem with it, but I'm one of those filthy liberal nude beach like people, you know? I think I'm gonna add source width and source height to this function. It's called European. Yeah, that's a good way of looking at it. You know what's funny is we were talking with some people yesterday and they said exactly that. They're like, "Oh, it's very common in Europe." Like, interesting. It's like when, source width. Oh god, I need to change this. This should be tile width and tile height. Uwu, it's Blipsburg. Uwu. Isn't Canada in Europe? I wish. I wish I had an EU passport. I would probably like never be in Canada if I had an EU passport. Actually, I'm pretty sure I'd be living in like Tenerife or like Madeira, especially during the winters. I'd be out. I'd be oot. Crash King, you have an EU passport? Dude, what? Wait. I'm so jealous. Some of my friends have always wanted to live in Canada. I mean, it's okay. Canada ain't so bad. Centaur robot? Yeah. I have a photo of it somewhere, actually. Okay, let's see if it builds. See if I broke it. Alright, it worked. Great. Amazing. I work at the airport so I can go anywhere that's not at war. What's so good about the EU? Well, you can just, like, go places, right? You can live and work in any EU country. That's the crazy part about having an EU passport. You can live and work in any, like, EU country. Single market, baby. Hey, Climb Bottle. Yeah, but I don't live in the United States. Temporalis. I live in Canada with a Canadian passport, so it's not like I can escape somewhere warm during the winters. Hey, Carl's Dev. What am I making? It's an isometric dungeon crawler thing. Can Canadians travel here without a visa? Yeah, but I can't. I mean, I probably could. I just might get unpersoned. That's all. Can we see it, yo? Yeah, yo, you can see a dog. I'll show you. This is it. There's not much here. I'm working on stuff. Dog. Yeah, dog. There, this is it. It's pretty. I gotta fix the movement because it's just a spring damper. Like if I like the further away, the faster it goes. Like, do you have sprites though? Yeah, look, they're on the screen, yo. Well, there's one sprite on the screen. I don't know. Bigger problem is cost of travel. Yeah, it's very expensive to travel right now. I don't even drive. If I drove, I'd probably be a van lifer. That's fire. Thanks, guys. Yeah. Is that camera 3D? It's a 2D camera, so it's like it's isometric projection. I can actually move the camera. I just be like, yo, let's move the camera, boy. And the character still moves to the spot in space. Boom. Got a web component working. Web components are dog shit. Isn't van life kind of dangerous? Maybe. I don't know. Always on travel. Detached from friends and family. Yeah. I think I'm going to try and get a visa to go to Argentina this winter for a little bit. Try and escape the Canadian winter. Hard disagree. You like web components? Am I going to do anything procedural processing? I mean, technically it's all procedural processing. But yes, well, I wanted to do some randomly generated dungeons. Like a true dungeon crawler. We're in Argentina. Buenos Aires. Buenos Aires is where I want to go. South Africa's very nice. Yeah, but I might get like attacked by a lion or eaten like one of those giant crocodiles or whatever. Yeah, at the end of the day, it's our world. We set the rules. Yeah, it's also like flying from Canada to anywhere is just a long trip. I mean, you think that South America is just kind of like, there it is, it's fine, right? But South America, you're actually just spanning the globe, but like the other direction, right? It's weird because maps, I feel like maps kind of like compress the like continents on the like y axis, right? But like to fly from Toronto to Buenos Aires is like 12 hours. That's longer than flying to like Portugal. It took us like 7 hours to fly to Portugal. To go where to escape the Canadian winter? Ishuia? I don't even know how to say that. Data Star mentioned? What? Who mentioned Data Star? What is that? Waiting to hear something like the earth is flat from someone? Nah, not here, dog. 12 hours from Brazil to Portugal as well? Yeah, that's a long flight. Gotta go, keep work thing. Alright, Alan, thank you. Kimberlin is approved to enter your heart? Wait, what? See, tech support was the first to oblige on the flatness, I guess. Even though I can't see Tokyo from here. You should be able to see Tokyo from Vancouver, but Vancouver Island, sorry. But it's not there. You just can't see it. You should be able to see Hawaii and then Tokyo in the distance. Can't be done. Okay, so updated sprite component. So, hmm. How would an animation system work? Like, I know that, like, you gotta cycle through sprite clips or some shit, basically. Distance is only a number. Oh. Oh, I like Swate. Got some pretty hardcore fans. We'll catch the longest train ride all the way to Singapore. Is that true? Wrong, it's a vector. Wait, what's a vector? The Earth? Imagine if a black hole could be insulted. Are you calling me supermassive? Supermassive? Like, who are you calling supermassive? Spans 13 countries? Like, what do? You take the Euro, like, pass all the way to, like, Macedonia, or whatever? Then you, like, yeet down through Turkey and the Middle East on the Orient Express? Or what? How does this work? You finished work of today? No, I just started. I usually do this before client work. Although my afternoon is going to be completely taken up by like my hair appointment, so it doesn't even matter, really. Nothing matters. Man, I thought I had more in me for writing code, but I'm not really sure. I'm not sure, dog. Unless here's some brain thinking, unless I take what's with all the sirens this morning? It's like there must be like an accident that keeps happening somewhere. There's never this many sirens in the morning. Go through Portugal, Spain, France, Germany, Poland, Belarus, Russia, Mongolia. Oh my god, so many transit visas. What happened to the 2D platformer? Oh, I kind of got bored of that project, so I just gave it up, basically. But it's like almost a complete game. I probably could have designed some more stuff. Police in my home? Fuck. Uh, okay, I had an idea that I was cooking on. So instead of having a sprite component for every entity, I could have like many sprite components per entity. Maybe. Typically, you have an animation cycle by just like you have like one texture, it's a sprite sheet, and then you kind of just like have this like source clip thing, right? And then you just kind of like it's like a window that you move around to do the animation or whatever. But I don't really have a sprite sheet. I have a bunch of sprites, individual sprites, I think. So it doesn't really work, does it? I have carrot breath. Yeah, not having a sprite sheet is kind of a not great. It's not great, dog. Because that means I gotta have like a bunch of texture objects that I iterate through. Is this Godot? No. Pretty far from Godot here. Oh, Fonte. You alright, man? Sprite sheet it is. I wish I had a sprite sheet. I don't even know if there's a way to combine images into a sprite sheet. Clanker, maybe? Be like, yo, Clanker, put all these in a single sprite sheet. Do it. And give me some coordinates, bro. Clanka. So, but I don't really have access to Clanka right now, so other than Google Gemini, which is terrible. Oh. Sorry, I'm having trouble breathing through my nose at the moment. 17 gigabytes of RAM, that's normal. Now we can converse about Clang. Yeah? C language? Free sprites to build the rendering? I mean, yeah, I could, but I want to use these sprites, so. Gemma doesn't know who I am? Fuck, bro. That's humbling, I guess. Gemini, Gemma. Docs your dead name. Hmm. Yeah, I suppose for an animation system. Okay, so what I did last time was I had to actually write the system and the component at the same time because otherwise there was nothing happening. What time do I work with C? It's on screen right now, Fonte. So yeah, I could do like. Have I had coffee yet? Yeah, I had like 1.5 coffees. I could do. Yeah, I could create the animation system and then add to the sprite component. We'll do that. Fuck. Excuse my language. What's my experience? I've got a little bit of experience with C. Not like professional experience, but just like exposure. Oh. Yeah, Drew, I know what they're asking. Oh god, I don't know why my nose is so plugged up. I'm not sick, and there's no like mucus. It's just like there's just no air flowing through it. Okay, let's see. Animation.h. Sick. Nice, bro. Animation.c. Yeah, that's the real stuff right there. That's real coding. C. What did I do with the movement header? Literally nothing. Literally nothing. I just like bam. Pragma once? That's not how you spell pragma. Pragma once. Boom. Include components. .h. I need math. I don't think I need math. I don't even know why I put math in the movement system. I'm starting to get really pissed off at my nose. Oh, I needed math.h for the square root function, but I don't need that for my animation system. Update animations. Boom. Sprite. S. I probably need delta time. Delta time to be like, what's up? Graduated CS? Nah, I dropped out. I studied computer science for like 6 years before dropping out. Vibe witches? Yeah, I'm cursed. They got me. Now, one thing I'm not sure about is every sprite is like has a direction, right? There's directionality to think about, and I don't really know how to create this concept yet. But I'm sure I'll figure it out. Direction. Might have to be part of the position component. I suppose that makes sense. Put in the movement system, we can put the direction in the position component, and then the animations will use that. Use that potential. Key. Amazing. Look at that. That is C code. Okay. Now we're coding. Now we're coding. Okay. Oh, it's animation.h. Animation. Date. Animations, bro. Star S. Position. P. Double. DT. Double DTF. You know what I'm saying? I really wish I could buy a pewter with enough RAM to run Kimi K3 locally. Or at least Gemma 2. Kimi K3 required RAM. Specialized streaming or 1-bit quantized methods allow for running it on 29 to 64 gigabytes. Wait, really? No way. What the fuck? This has to be bullshit. Oh no, that's just Google lying to me again. Classic. Yo, Google AI overview is like really stupid. It's like criminally stupid compared to this. Or is it real? One bit Kimi K3, and then there's normal Kimi K3. Okay, so 1 bit is kind of, it's still huge. System requirements. System requirements 1.5 terabytes to 2 terabytes of DDR5 RAM. That's funny. Creating a window. Ugh, why am I so dry? I'm like super dry for some reason. My mouth and my nose. Advice about how you protect your mental health while coding. I don't know. I have bad mental health advice. Drugs. I just do drugs. That's it. Drugs and other vices that I can't talk about on stream, so that's how I cope, bro. Yo, based. The relative humidity in here is 57%, so it's not like my mouth and nose should be this dry. It's like abnormally dry. Alright, first off, we gotta be like, bruh, if S and P and DT, actually DT is just a given. Maybe I should just call them sprite and position. Since single name variables are kind of annoying. What's the temperature? It's cold out. 24 Celsius. Not freedom units. Hello, Pilly. Allie. Oh my god, why do I have to use the bathroom? Am I having like kidney failure? Is that what's going on here? Like, this is like the fourth time I've had to go to the bathroom this morning. Have a hobby? Oh no, the diabetes. I don't think I have diabetes. It does run in my family, but I'm pretty sure I don't have it. Like type 1. You're just a hydro homie? I've been drinking a lot of water this morning because I woke up like bone dry this morning. Pog hydro homie. Need some salt? No, I don't need salt. Hey Mars Raptor, what's up? Man, I gotta use the bathroom. Yeah, I gotta go again, guys. I'm sorry. Brig, I'll be right back. Hey, relax, guy. Oh. Hey, Dissonance. Hey, Vitali. Oh, wait, you were already here, Vitali. What am I talking about? GPT will know. Yeah, that's a great idea. Let's just outsource all our thinking to a fucking parrot. Stupid ass stochastic parrot, bro. Don't think ever again, bro. That's it. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go get, like, oh god, I shouldn't even say that. I gotta tell myself to shut the fuck up sometimes. I have noticed, actually, probably because of you lot, streaming for you lot every day, that I have less and less filter. I've noticed. Like I don't have inhibitions really anymore. Like I just say shit to people. Here it comes. Call it LTO. IRL TOS. But it's not a stochastic parrot. It is stochastic parrot though. I hate when people say that. Like it's not, as in the Japanese mathematician. I have no idea who that is. I don't even know what you're talking about right now. I liked an iPad, but first day I had the iPad. Did it taste good? Did it taste good though? That's the real question. I feel like there's way more sirens today. I don't know what's going on. Like every like few minutes, it's like crazy shit. Man, I don't even want. Oh my god. Hey, whatever. I'm over it. That's it. I'm gonna go like full like. Oh god, I keep stopping myself. I don't know why I'm scared to admit it. I just want to. Yeah, I just want to be a Barbie, basically. Full Barbie. We'll just vibe code every day. Easy. Manga? Can we be Barbie? Yeah, of course. There's no rules. There's literally no rules. Except the law, but you can do whatever you want. Coding session is perfect. Well, that's good. Okay, so Oh my god, I'm starting to get really sick of this, like, dryness. Like, I'm gonna go get nasal spray here in a minute because it's starting to piss me off. Well, this is the problem. It just won't come out, you know? All right. Cool. How much is 100 milliseconds? That's 0.01 seconds, right? Or no, 0.1 seconds. Nope, backwards. 1 millisecond is point. Man, why can I cannot type today. This is so annoying. Wait a second. Wait, what? I need a fucking calculator. Okay, I guess that makes sense. What am I talking about here? 100 milliseconds is what I want, right? So I guess I probably need to know, like, oh my god, this is so annoying. Can allergies cause dry mouth and dry nose? So I think every, like, okay, I'll write it here. Every 100 milliseconds, iterate, increase clip length. No, not increase clip length. Increase source X by if I can fucking type. Every 100 milliseconds, increase source X by width. Source width. Unless X greater than or equal to width, then increase. Why? Oh great, my nails are too long to fucking type too. Before dropping out, then came back to it? What? No, I dropped out for a job. I was offered a job while I was in school, so I left school to work in the industry because I was sick of being a poor student. Hey, Shaney boy. Thanks for the prime. Alright, so last sprite, last tick, I guess, or time since last tick. Plus equals delta time, maybe? No. Hello, Emacs, please. Jesus. Is less than or equal to less than 0.01 time since last tick plus equals delta time. Or no, wait. Yes. This is exactly what we want, isn't it? And then else. Oh, fuck off. I've been getting your YouTube shorts recommended lately. I want to say I appreciate your grounded and base takes on AI, current state of programming. Oh, thanks, Critbit. Yeah, we'll stick around. I don't know. Yeah, it's who knows. I'm beginning to get the sense that people are just gonna wholesale abandon programming. Vibe coding is like crack for people. It's like they managed to take the dopamine like slot machine of social media and put it into the development workflow. And in 6 months, I would say in about 6 months, everybody's going to be complaining about how dumb the models are again. And then they'll release new models. Happens every time. Slot machine. Source.x plus equals. Well, actually. Fell for it again, award. Oh, sprite source.x plus width is. Oh, no, wait, not width. No, that's what I want, yeah. I don't know. Okay, so I need the texture width. I should probably just put the texture in there. Oh, I did actually. Okay. Greater than or equal to texture width is actually we'll say less than. We'll write the trivial case for now. Is less than or equal to texture width. Sprite sauce dot x plus equals sprite sauce dot width. Amazing. And then else, which would be greater than texture width, which means we need to go down the sprite sheet. And this is not gonna work at all with the assets that I have, so zero, nope. Source.y plus equals sprite sauce dot height. I'm already abandoned programming and writing code by hand. Heck, even reviewing code. Yeah, there's like, it's just crazy, man. It's just wild. What the fuck? Okay, so this is a pretty decent little animation loop. And then sprite time since last tick equals 0. Because we did the animation frame. That's pretty much all there is to an animation in 2D land. Oh my god. It's so annoying. I'm gonna have to like set up like rules or something. I don't know what to do for YouTube. YouTube chat. Do I look like I use AI? It's so weird. Why? Okay, have fun 93. I want you to ask why your first thought is to ask that question when you come in here. Like, why do you immediately reach for this thing? You need to you need to think about what you're doing. Blindly like using AI. Again, like I said, you're not allowed to be a manual programmer on the internet anymore. It's super frustrating. Maybe I should give up. You guys want to watch me just type /goal? Argue with Claude Code? /goal? Make me isometric game, please. Make it real good and sell for millions. Easy. Perfect. So perfect. Like, honestly, I might give up. I was thinking about just being a Yap streamer. Like, just stop coding. Like, straight up, just like give up. Yeah, I mean, vibe coding, a lot of this vibe coding stuff is starting to resemble a lot of the get rich quick schemes we've seen in a lot of tech bubbles, right? God, I need more water. Oh. God, I don't know why I'm so dry today. Okay, so this works for like a sprite sheet, but what if I have like individual sprites cycle through? Yeah, Twitter, fuck, do I have something blue in my teeth? Twitter's really annoying for this stuff. You know what's funny is like everybody is like there's all this like stuff about like AI like hacking its way out of sandboxes and stuff. Everybody's like, "Oh my god, like what do we do? This is so scary." Like the obvious solution is right in front of you. Stop just blindly running LLM output. It's like it just doesn't even occur to people to just like not, you know, use an agent to blindly run the output of a clanker. Like it's just so fucking dumb. No, Cyberpunk is a warning. But like just like yeah, you'll never believe like what like all these problems with AI, most of them are just like self-inflicted. Just like, oh no, agents doing stuff, hacking stuff, and I'm like, just don't run a fucking agent. Like, it's that simple. Dumb. Dumb, dumb, dumb. It's all dumb. Everything's dumb, and I don't know. Like I said, I don't want to be a software developer anymore, so fuck it. I don't even care. I'm not a software developer. I'm just a programmer. Minimum level of OPSEC. It doesn't even matter. Like if you're not blindly letting this run its own commands in a loop, like it doesn't matter, right? I see. I'm just curious because a lot of people use AI. Are you a fucking bot? Are you fucking bot man? Like, come on. I've seen this exact same message from other people in this chat. That exact word for word message. You're a fucking bot. I'm just gonna get rid of you. Peace out. Of course, YouTube fucking shit doesn't work. Boom. Peace out. I've literally seen that message before. Exact word for word message. Ugh, human eyeballs with a brain between that's gonna do stupid things. What was the message? Oh, just like fucking. I see. I'm just curious because I see a lot of people use AI these days to speed up the development process. Like that exact verbatim I've seen before. So fucking annoying. Like what the fuck is happening to the internet? We just like straight up like we just kind of collectively decided to ruin like a bunch of professions and the internet because of this shit. Like fucking insane. I can't believe that. I can't believe it. Shit makes me so mad, man. Oh, I'm just curious because people use it to speed up development process. Why don't you get the fuck out of here and die? I'm so over it, man. I'm just so over it. I should have just like as soon as you know what, back to the hard rule. Any mention of AI banned. I don't care. Like you're gone. I don't even care. Even if you're critiquing it, I gotta stop allowing people to critique it because in the chat because it just attracts. It's like I don't know if people have like canary bots or something that just sit in chats and wait for people to start talking about AI so they can come in and start yapping about AI. But like, yeah, hard rule from here on out. That's it. Yeah, like I said, like this is your first warning, void Rethin, because I like you already. But like I don't want to talk about it, guys. It's so frustrating. What framework am I using? None. I'm just using Raylib. Yeah, I'm just gonna like go. I don't know. I don't even know. Maybe I should stop programming on the internet. Just wholesale like give up. Ugh. Continue. I like your streams. Man, it's so fucking annoying. Like, oh my god. And it's super weird. Like, people have made this like their identity or something. Like, my video on. What the fuck is going on today? It's like every 5 minutes there's sirens outside. It's not usually this bad in Toronto. What was I saying? Totally forget what I was going to say, of course. What was I saying before the sirens? Valid crash out? Oh, right. My video on Codeberg banning vibe coded projects. Some people were like really upset about this, and I'm like, just go push to GitHub. Go push your shit there. Like, what? I was actually like, other than Theo, who made a sizable donation, but some people were like acting like this is some kind of like travesty. I'm like, just push your shit to fucking GitHub. Like, what are you whining about in my video comments for? They don't want to allow vibe coded projects. It's not like an affront to your like personal freedoms or something. Fourth time you said that. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't understand why people were upset about that. Because they I feel like some people kind of know that like they're just willingly giving up like this skill set, and they're not happy when people are like, actually we kind of want to keep coding. So people get like really pissed off. They're not going to police it. They're not going to police it. It's just the terms of use, right? I like, yeah, this isn't like the law where if you can't enforce a law, then it's like a bad law or whatever. It's just a company policy, right? It's just company policy. It's not like they're gonna like have like fucking Codeberg police here. Maybe if you're like have like a giant audience of thousands of people and you're boasting about pushing your completely vibe coded project to Codeberg. Yeah, we're talking about Codeberg. Like, they're not going to enforce it. I'd be really surprised if they put in the effort to enforce it. But companies typically want to stay in the clear, right? So companies will stop pushing vibe coded shit to GitHub or to Codeberg. Billions being spent on AI. Well, I'm more concerned about fucking literacy rates than anything. I'll never run like Claude Code or something on my computer. To me, that just seems insane. Claude Code, Codex, none of that shit. No. Oops. Hmm. Yep. Whatever. Agents running in sandboxes. Oh, well, if the propagandists we believe, they can always break out of sandboxes because they're so dangerous. All this bullshit about AI escaping sandboxes and stuff, this is just manufacturing consent to ban open weight models. I hope you guys know that. That's all that is. It's 100% uh, just manufacturing consent so that they can get the government to ban open weight models. That's it. That's all that's happening. Banning open weight models is so unenforceable. Like, what the fuck are they gonna do? Oh, they. Who knows, man? I don't. I will never ever like. Yeah, I don't know. Stupid stuff probably. Like you probably need to. I don't know actually. I don't even know how they would ban open weight models. I'm sure they'll try though. Seems like pretty par for the course in America these days to do like dumb stuff. Sorry, but also not sorry. So, chicks math is illegal. Dude, you would like I would not be surprised. I mean, how? You just write the law. Yeah, exactly. I don't know. I don't know, you guys. I don't want to talk about AI either. I fucking hate it. I hate all this shit, bro. I just want to just liked writing code. I like programming things. Like making things. If only it were so simple. Oh, what a good stretch. Oh my goodness, that was a terrific stretch. Yeah, creation of a machine, so simple. Oh, you would be surprised. Been found to be harboring illegal tensors on your computer. How do you plead? Maybe I should write a bot that automatically bans people that talk about AI in my chat. Easy. Hilarious history of a Lisp machine. Well, yeah, I mean, like, us talking about how banning open models might work. This is what Richard Stallman meant by free software, free as in free speech, not free beer. Just looking at just houses for a big streaming house. Any heat wave? It was pretty hot yesterday. Everyone say I, Captain. Huge if true. Huge if true, you guys. I got me a sponsor, I think, coming up. Sponsored segment. Maybe on Friday. Not only possible, but relatively common amongst government puppets. Oh, yeah. Governments love banning things they don't understand. It's such a great, like, tool to whip people into a frenzy, right? So they love legislating crap they don't understand. Because if they don't understand, there's a pretty good chance that, like, their constituents don't understand it. So politicians love that shit, man. Don't see how people fall for it. We're basically dumb animals, right? We're just like super evolved dumb animals. That's it. That's the answer. Evolve for all kinds of stuff. Yeah, internet cults and junk. Remember crypto? Crypto is still around, still alive. Oh, chat room. All right. I'm gonna call it. It's a little early. But I want to eat and go buy a glasses cleaning kit and other stuff. So yeah, we did code a little bit. So fuck the haters. They want to ban math? Oh, I'm sure they do. All you have to do is associate the word transgender with mathematics. They'll go bonkers on that shit. I guarantee it. So, God, I'm kind of cranky this morning. I thought I slept well, but it seems when I sleep well, I'm kind of a bitch. Maybe because I have like a sharper mind. I don't know. Let's go raid T2. Fuck it. Fuck it, bro. I like anger, Janet. Man, I don't like being an angry streamer though. Like there are plenty of people that do the like rage thing, and I do not. I'm just generally like cranky about the state of everything. That's all. I don't like being like negative or angry. I actually like being positive. Yeah. All right. Let's go blow up. Let's go blow up T2. Put him right on the top of the category. Go mess with some Linux. And I will see you guys tomorrow, probably. Regular schedule. You're not you and you're hungry? I should eat a Snickers. Is that it? All right. Bye, Jazz Rabbit. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody.